Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to build Netgen with Open CASCADE Technology support. Netgen is a well-known free and open source mesher available under the permissive LGPL license. Open CASCADE Technology is a geometric modeling kernel available under the same LGPL license. LGPL allows you to use the products in your commercial software and also allows you to use it in academia. Before the capturing video, I have downloaded Netgen, and as you can see, it's not the latest version, and it is done intentionally because we are going to build it using Visual Studio 2015, starting with 6.2.1909. Netgen requires C++ 17. Also, I have prepared a folder containing necessary third-party products. It's Open CASCADE Technology. 7.5 is the latest release we have. The lib is used during Netgen building as well. So let's unpack Netgen sources into code folder. Presence of CMake list.txt tells us that it can be configured using CMake or CMake GUI. So let's try to build it using CMake GUI. The first variable here points to the source code. The second variable points to binaries folder. Debug suffix is needed here because Netgen requires special tuning for release and debug mode. So let's press configure. We need to choose Visual Studio version and platform version. Not this one, but x64. In the use group, we are going to disable everything and enable Open CASCADE support. After that, we can press configure button. Netgen looks for the lib, so we can put it here into additional paths. Demo tabs the lib, configure again, and now we need to set two variables related to Open CASCADE Technology. This one is quite simple and straightforward. It's just a folder containing Open CASCADE includes. But this one, it should point to any library of Open CASCADE Technology. So here we should put the path to the library. Win64, BC14, libd, like this one. So once again, this variable should be like this one, not like this. After that, we can look for unnecessary variables in different groups. We want to disable build testing. In CMake, we want to change array with deb and fill to debug. It is needed to link against the right version of the lib. And also we need to change CMake install prefix to demo install BC14 64 Netgen. In enable everything is okay. In ng group everything is okay. OCC is okay. Use is okay. The lib is okay. Now we press configure button the last time. Press generate button. Open projects. Here we need to make sure that we build in a right mode. We configured for debug mode, and that is why we built in debug mode. Building requires some time, so I cut the video off. We see that building fails, so we need to get rid of this include because it's not present in the latest version of Open CASCADE Technology. After that, we can build again. Effective usage Netgen as a third-party product in a downstream software requires one more modification. For that purpose, let's open any file from any library. And we need to go to code, libsrc, interface, not interface, but include, and open mystdlib.h. Here we need to get rid of this block of headers and compile again. One more defect is connected with Netgen's usage as a third-party library. Open occgeom.hpp file and add missing DLL header to method doArchive. We see that building is finished successfully once again, and we can install the software using install target. And we see that Netgen doesn't use any naming convention for debug version of libraries. To solve this problem, we can rely on Open CASCADE's experience. Open CASCADE uses folder for debug binaries bnd and debug libraries libd. Release mode can be built in the same manner. The only difference here is to change CMake build type and change Open CASCADE libraries from debug ones to release ones.